All right, good day, guys. We have this question from JAMB 1985, question 17, where we're asked the factors of 9 minus bracket open x squared minus 3x minus 1 bracket close square are what? In order to solve this, we dive into the question by writing solution. Write solution. We copy out our expression. We have 9 minus bracket open x squared minus 3x minus 1 bracket close or squared. Now, we take note of the fact that our expression resembles the difference of a two squares expression. Hence, we proceed as follows. Right, equal to 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So I have 3 squared minus bracket open x squared minus 3x minus 1 bracket close all squared. And this is equal to bracket open 3 minus bracket open x squared minus 3x minus 1 bracket close square bracket open 3, this time we say plus bracket open x squared minus 3x minus 1 bracket close. The reason for this is because this expression is a difference of two square expression. Now, proceeding further, we open our bracket, right? 3. We have a minus times x squared gives us minus x squared. Minus times minus 3x gives us plus 3x. Minus times minus 1 gives us plus 1. Bracket close. Bracket open. Right, 3. Plus times s squared gives us plus x squared. Plus times minus 3x gives us minus 3x. Plus times minus 1 gives us minus 1. All brackets are closed. Now we collect like terms. Open our bracket and collect like terms. From our first bracket, we have that 3 plus 1, they're like terms. We end up having 4. So from first bracket, we have a 4 plus 3x minus x squared, bracket close, bracket open. We have 3 and a minus 1 here as a like term. 3 minus 1 will give us 2. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 bracket close. Now, we factorize each bracket separately. However, we need to take note of the fact that the coefficient of x squared from our first bracket is not equal to 1, but rather it is minus 1. So from our first bracket, we have that a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to plus 3, and c is equal to 4. And since our value for a is not equal to 1 but minus 1, we look for the value of AC. Look for the value of AC. Look for the value of AC. A minus 1 times bracket of times 4 rather, times 4 times 4. So I have minus 1 times 4 gives us minus 4 as a value for AC. Meanwhile, from our second bracket, we have the value of A equal to 1, value of B equal to minus 3, while value of C equal to plus 2. Now, we proceed further by opening our bracket, write 4. Now, we think of two factors of our value for AC, which is minus 4. Two factors of minus 4. Now, when added together, gives us plus 3, which is our value for B in our first bracket. Now, these two factors are plus 4 and minus 1, because plus 4 times minus 1 gives us minus 4, while plus 4 plus minus 1 gives us plus 3. Hence, we end up having 4 plus 4x minus x, which is the same thing as minus 1x minus x squared. It's in our first bracket. Open our second bracket. We have x squared. We look for the factors of 2 that add up together to give us minus 3. These factors are minus 2 and minus 1, because minus 2 times minus 1 gives us plus 2, and minus 2 plus minus 1 gives us minus 3. So we have x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2, bracket close. Proceed further to start factorizing. Open our bracket. We factorize out minus 4 from 4 plus 4x. Factorize at minus 4. Open a bracket. We end up having minus 1 minus x, bracket close. Then we factorize out plus x from minus x squared. Now open a bracket. We have minus 1 minus x, bracket close, bracket close. Now from our second bracket, we factorize out x from x squared minus 2x. We have x factored out, bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close. Then we factorize out minus 1 from minus x plus 2. So we have minus 1, bracket x minus 2, bracket close, bracket close. Now proceed further. We have from our first bracket, bracket open again, minus 1 minus x, bracket close. We have again x minus 4, bracket close, bracket close. From our second bracket, we have bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close, bracket close. We factor out minus 1 from the first bracket so that our expression will look more neat and will also fall in line with the options we have from this question. That is, if you have the question paper. Therefore, we have our answer to be minus, bracket open, x plus 1. That's my first bracket. Then second bracket, we have bracket open, x minus 4, bracket close. From our second bracket, we have bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close. That's our final answer. Thank you.